Hello everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing fantastic today. And we're going to speak about a subject that all keto enthusiasts need to embrace. And the subject is positivity. Yes, embracing positivity on your keto journey. The power of positive language. You know, embarking on a ketogenic lifestyle is an exciting journey that's filled with potential for transformation, both physically and mentally. Whether you're a seasoned keto enthusiast or someone considering starting this low-carb, high-fat diet, there's one powerful tool that can significantly impact your success. Yes, positive language. Framing your goals and progress using positive words can make a world of difference in your keto experience. Well, let's talk about the impact of positive language. You know, positive language shapes our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It creates an environment of encouragement and motivation, helping us stay focused on our goals. When you speak and think positively about the keto journey, you are more likely to stick to your plan, overcome challenges, and celebrate your successes. Let's speak now about setting positive goals. You know, setting goals is a fundamental part of any journey, and how you frame these goals can influence your success. Instead of saying, "I need to lose weight," try rephrasing it to, "I'm committed to achieving a healthier and more energetic version of myself." This positive approach focuses on the benefits and rewards, making your goal more appealing and attainable. Consider the difference between saying, "I can't eat carbs," versus "I choose to nourish my body with healthy fats and proteins." The latter emphasizes your positive choices and the control you have over your diet. By framing your goals in an optimistic light, you're more likely to feel empowered and motivated. Now let's speak about celebrating progress positively. Progress is an integral part of the keto journey, and celebrating it positively can boost your confidence and enthusiasm. Instead of focusing on what you haven't achieved yet, acknowledge and appreciate the milestones you've reached. For example, rather than lamenting that you've only lost 5 pounds, celebrate the fact that you've lost 5 pounds and are moving closer to your goal. You know, positive reinforcement can come from self-acknowledgement or sharing your successes with others. Join keto communities or support groups where you can share your achievements and receive encouragement. This communal positivity can provide an extra layer of motivation and accountability. Now let's talk about overcoming challenges with positivity. You know, challenges are inevitable in any lifestyle change, including the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. How you approach these challenges can determine your resilience and ultimate success. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. If you experience a keto flu or hit a weight loss plateau, remind yourself that these are temporary hurdles on your path to a healthier you. Using positive language during challenging times can help maintain your motivation. Instead of saying, "I'm struggling with the keto flu," try saying instead, "I'm in the process of adjusting to my new, healthier lifestyle, and my body is adapting beautifully." This shift in perspective can help you stay patient and persistent. Now, let's talk about creating a positive environment. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is crucial for maintaining a positive mindset. Engage with supportive friends, family, and acquaintances, and online communities who understand and encourage your keto journey. Distance yourself from negativity and naysayers who might undermine your efforts. Incorporate positive affirmations into your daily routine. Start your day with statements like, "I am strong, healthy, and committed to my goals," or "Every day I am making choices that benefit my body and mind." These affirmations can set a positive tone for your day and reinforce your commitment to your ketogenic lifestyle. So, in conclusion, the power of positive language in your keto journey cannot be overstated. By framing your goals and progress with positive words, you create a supportive and motivating environment that enhances your chances of success. Embrace positivity, celebrate your achievements, and approach challenges with a resilient mindset. Remember, your keto journey is not just about what you eat, it's about how you think and feel. Use positive language to fuel your transformation and enjoy every step of the way. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below this video. Again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. I would be so honored if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for doing that. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.